Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan, if you didn't know, and now you know. I got these mystery packages that I wanted to show you. I was on, what is that, Beyond Polish, getting the Spring Hello Sugar collection of nail polish, and I saw they had mystery boxes. These are obviously just bags, packages. So anyway, I got two of the three different kinds. I got one for lacquer and one for gel. I think I paid about $10 for this one and $15 for this one. They did say they were on sale, so I don't think that's the going rate. But let's see what's in here. Let's open the lacquer first. All right, I've got this right here so I can just stick my hand in. I haven't even looked in here yet, so let's see. Oh dang, I ran into something really quickly. Oh. Okay, interesting. It's a chain of swatch thingies. I suppose it's for display purposes. It's got these two holes, so you run the chain through it, and then you've just got these two little swatch pellets. They've got numbers on them, so you can be like, hey, color number 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, blah. This is not usually how I keep my swatches, but that's okay. Looks like these also snap together like this for some reason. Not super sure what that reason is. This is a weird item. What is next? It is a polish. Ooh, it's glittery. Okay, it is from OPI, and it is called You Had Me At Confetti. I don't actually have a topper like this because it's not one of my favorite styles. Let's do a swatch of it though. Well, looks like there are different sizes in here. Some of them appear to be hollow, some of them not, but they are different colors. There's definitely a place in the world for a topper like this. In fact, I've seen some designs incorporate things like this. It's just not my go-to style. Next, what have we got in here? It is another polish. Interesting. It's an Orly, and it's like really rubbed off. This one's been through some stuff. It is in the shade Sagebrush. Orly is one of my favorite brands. They are such quality polishes, and then you get a big old bottle. This one is obviously old because it has a smell. There is a smell that nail polish gets when it's old, and it almost starts to smell like paint, like house paint. And that's kind of what it is. I mean, it still works, and I don't think it turns toxic or anything, but it certainly does acquire a weird fragrance, or maybe that's just how polish was made back in the day. I don't know. But I like this. I do like this color. It's kind of a dark gray, and it's got like almost a blue tint, but I like this one. And another one. Interesting. C&D. Venilux. I don't have anything like this. Never used this brand before. It is called Candlelight. Very strange. Almost a goldenrod color. Let's make a swatch. Look at that little brush. It's so short and stumpy. Ew. Is this supposed to be like this? It's like kind of chunky. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. I think maybe it needs to be stirred up or something. And it's very streaky. Two-coater for sure. Maybe it will be better if it gets a good shake. I should have shaken it better. Next, we have another polish. This is also C&D, but different. Creative Play in the shade Berried Secrets. This one has one of these skinny round brushes. That is not my favorite style of brush, but it is what it is. Beggars can't be choosers. And this one also is a little bit thin and streaky, so definitely needs 2 coats, but at least it's not chunky. And I do like the shade. It's like berry pink-ish purple. Probably why they named it Berried Secrets, but I like that. That's a pretty color. Last one, also a polish. It's an Essie, and I don't actually have any Essies. And look, it's like a purple with a gold shimmer. I'm already liking that. Starstruck a Chord. Interesting name. Alright. Nice brush. I do like it. Ooh, this goes on so smooth. I really like the application. No wonder Essie is such a popular polish. It's just such a weird name. That is stunning. It is so pretty. Let me move these lights in so you can see that. I love this. This is nice. And you know, the gold is almost more subtle on the swatch stick than it is in the bottle, but I don't mind that at all. This is a really pretty purple. Alright, so let's review. We have 5 full-size polishes, and at least 3 of them I like a lot. One of them, it's looking better. It's looking less chunky, so I'm okay with it. It's even kind of blended together. And then one of them, it's whatever. It's a topper. It's not my favorite, but somebody might like that, and if they come over and want to use my polishes, it will be available. So I paid, again, like 10 bucks, but it was on sale. I think it was probably closer to 20 originally, but even then, for this many full-size polishes, that's a pretty good price, especially since some of these polishes are really expensive. Anyway, let's look and see what's in the gel package. We're gonna do this one the same way. I haven't looked. We're just gonna start pulling things out. First, we have a very big bottle. Alright, so it is from Gelish, which is a good brand. I don't actually have any of these either, and it appears to be kind of a mauve-y color. Very big bottle, as we were saying, called I Lilac What I'm Seeing. Let's open this up. I don't have a lamp out, so I'm not going to make swatches of these, but I'm going to show them to you. Let's zoom this in so you can see. But yes, that is nice. Consistency looks alright, not too thick, not too thin. I like that. It does have that gel smell. Don't like that, but it is what it is. You know what you're dealing with. Oh, it looks like we've got some more of these things. I'll have to put them with the other ones. I don't see myself using these chains for this, because what am I going to chain this to? I don't work in a salon. Nobody's going to run off with my polish samples, but they're here if I need them. Oh, this came out as in one big chunk. Oh, it appears to be a set. Okay, D&D. These would be the same, one in lacquer, one in gel. Let's shake them up and open them. Alright, so these are in the shade Bubble Pop. I love when polishes come with one of each. That way, if one person likes gel products and the other person likes nail polish, but they like the same one, they both have the opportunity to use it. We're gonna make a swatch of this one, so let's do that first. Wow, look how concentrated that is. But when you paint it on, it's a little less so, but that is pretty common with glitter polishes. You would definitely want to use 2 coats for full coverage, but that's so pretty. I love a sparkly purple. And then let's look at this one. Let's see how different it looks in gel form. Not significantly so, and that's pretty fortunate, because sometimes gel is more concentrated than regular nail polish just because of the base. So I'm pretty surprised that it looks so similar. I bet it goes on thicker though, just because of the gel formula. But I suppose if you were to spread it thin enough, because I'm wiping off the brush, it does still spread out. So I like that. It doesn't smell as funky as that gelish one. But yeah, so this is really a 2-for-1. This I can count towards the nail polish loot. So hey, hey. Last thing, it looks like we've got another set. Okay, yep, so it's another D&D, another polish and gel. And these appear to be in kind of a hot pink shade. We'll do the same thing with one swatch. As a matter of fact, it's called hot pink. Alright, ooh, look how nice this is going on here. This one you could probably get away with one coat. That is not patchy at all. It's really opaque, really beautiful. I like this a lot. And let's definitely have a look at the gel as well. Yes, this one actually, I don't know, is this more red leaning? It does seem to be more red. Interesting, I was not expecting that. That's okay though. And once it's spread on there, it may become more pink looking. It might just be red when it's so built up. But beautiful color nonetheless. So let's review. We have, in fact, 3 gel polishes with 2 bonus nail polishes. Since I was not expecting these, I definitely do consider them bonuses as opposed to the main items that you purchased. I think this one was about $5 more than the Lacquer set, but it's gel and gel is more expensive. So even if I did pay $15 for this, that's only $5 a bottle. That's really not bad at all. And of course it was on sale. I don't know exactly what the original sale price was, probably closer to $30, which would make these more like $10 a bottle, but still that's pretty fair in the world of gel polish. So let me know, what did you think of either one of these packages, and have you bought one before? Do you want to buy one, and if so, which one? So that's it. I'm going to wrap this up here. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for your likes and your comments and your interaction. I definitely do appreciate it. Make sure that you are subscribed. I've got a lot of videos coming out. Some are hauls, some are nails. We've got all kinds of new products coming up, and I don't know if you've noticed, but I've started a not nail polish playlist where I'm putting things that are not nail polish. So if you're not necessarily into nail polish, there is still something that you might like. Definitely check it out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.